Hi, good afternoon. This is Pinaki Najmera from NCC Telecom Private Limited. We are going ahead with technical training or marketing training program of product range Digital Dreams. Digital Dreams is whatever you imagine can be satisfied digitally. We'll see about various other product range under the same product category called Digital Dreams. Let me brief about first is NCC is a group of around 55 people, and we are based in Mumbai. Our factory is at Himachal Pradesh, Parwano. We are in this business since last around 20 years, and with an experience of Digital Dream product range since last around 12 years. And we are ISO 9001-2000 certified company with around more than 2 lakhs users for building intercom, video apartment systems, and in terms of home automation solution, probably we have executed our solution in more than 3,000 apartments, out of which 2,000 active users every day using their lighting, their audio video devices using NCC home automation solution. Whatever we have designed, developed, manufactured so far are all 100% made in India products, and all our designs are very simple, intuitive, and actual and really affordable. All the products are designed with very open and futuristic architecture, so there is no monopolistic approach in terms of dedicated products to be used by end users from our end only. They have a huge flexibility. In terms of customer base of NCC, we have a lot of repeat customer or repeat accounts from the same customer. Lodha Developers Limited is one of the example in Mumbai, wherein we have done repeat 6 projects with them with around 1,500 apartments for complete home automation solution. Similarly, Rohan Developers in Pune, wherein we have done around 1,200 apartments with various projects named like Tarang, Ishan, Mithila, the property which is 7-star rated by CRISIL. That entire project is on automation by NCC. And in terms of various other developers like Vatva Group or Ajmera Group in Mumbai or Rustomji, we are doing a very prestigious project called Element in Juhu from Rustomji. So similarly, we have various other customers, high-end end users. Example, we have done ICICI Bank MD's house, we have done CEO's house of Polycare, we have done Dr. Nene's house. So similarly, we have such a number of clients who are using NCC solutions. In terms of building intercom, why you need building intercom in residential segment is when you have now a group housing kind of a concept, very popular. It's a complex or a premise where you have various residential community living, and this is called a gated community, where you have a common entrance to the premise and there are various buildings. Now, it is not necessary that you have multi apartments. There can be a single apartment, there can be cluster of such number of apartments. So ultimately, the people staying in here, they need some kind of a convenience of communication, security, and something more. So in terms of the solution, what we provide is a product range called Digital Dreams, which is only taking care of building intercom and video apartment solution. So the brochure here shown is a brochure for our Digital Dreams building intercom and video apartment system. About building intercom, we'll see next page is in terms of a residential complex. If you see, you have a possibility of a residential building which is around maybe 12 apartments, wherein you have G, which is ground floor, parking, and you can have 1, 2, 3 floors, each floor around 4 flats per floor, and so this makes around 12 apartments in a building. Now, if there are 12 members residing in this building and this is a compound wall, now I as a visitor coming into this premise, a watchman make sure that he will make us to talk to the flat user prior I am allowed to go in. So in this case, this system will help to have a building communication, second is security, and third is automation. Now in terms of communication, we will see a visitor coming in is made to talk to the flat user, or even a flat user can talk to another flat user also using the same system. So inside each apartment there is one telephone instrument provided. Okay, now this is in flat 1, this is flat 2, this is flat 3, all of them, and this is a telephone instrument at security entrance. A security person can talk to any of this flat user, or this flat user can talk to each other the way they want. So this is the way, this is an intercom or communication system. In terms of NCC product, we have various sizes of intercom system possible. So example, we have first unit which is we call as a 32. Second is a unit which called 64. Third we have is 128. Fourth we have is 256. This number states how many extensions one can connect, or how many telephone instruments one can connect on the system, or how many flat users can be connected on the basic system. This system can be configured, or it can be having a minimum configuration of 8 flats, 8 extensions, or it can go to 16, or it can go to 24, or it can go to 32. So this is a multiple of 8 extensions always. Similarly, when we say 64 means 64 connections or flat users can talk to each other. Or in terms of 128, it is a capacity up to 128, and similarly 256 lines. Now if a system, so if we see our system configuration boxes, this is DD32, that is 32 line cabinet, 64 line cabinet, 128 and 256. Now if we see the
No.
okay, some of very strong USPs of NCC solution is it is having IVRS features. Now, why you need IVRS feature is, one is in a residential complex, when you're using an intercom system, one flat user can speak to another flat user. Now, if there can be a nuisance value to this feature also. So if one apartment user calls to another apartment user just to trouble, then in that case another apartment user should be able to find out who called in. So this is a feature like called a talking CLI, talking caller ID. That means when apartment user receives a ring and there is a nuisance value to it, they can identify who called in last by pressing some code. So this kind of a feature are included. There is something called a vendor call. Now if in a residential complex some vendor comes nearby the society and security person wants to inform all the flat user, he has to just press one code on his extension and all the flat users will get a ring and an announcement of who has come at the premise. So this way there are various other utilities like building intercom, flat to flat communication, 3 or up to 5 members of a conference or meeting call, or every flat user can set the time alarms, and there is a vendor call, there is a hotline facility. That means any flat user wants to communicate with security, just lifts and wait for some duration. He gets connected to the security straight without dialing any code. So this way one can use this system very effectively for communicating amongst internally flat users or with security person. Now in terms of security aspects, what are the features we cover is any flat user who needs an assistance or help of a security person presses the code #33. This generates alarm at the security and a display unit which is installed at the security entrance. We will see the picture of the display unit. So at the security entrance, along with a telephone, we have a display unit placed. Now this display unit displays normally hours, minutes and seconds, plus there is always attached hooter along with that. There are two type of display units. One is 1 inch in size and another is 3.5 inch in size. Now this display unit, now any flat user who is in need of an assistance from a security presses a code #33 on their telephone instrument. A flat number will be displayed here and hooter will be made on. This is one way to generate a panic or alert call. Another combination can be a panic switch. We will see the picture of a panic switch. No, it's not. Another way to generate alert is, along with the telephone instrument inside the house, a flat user can be provided with a panic switch. That means a switch, in case of any emergency, you just press this panic button. It will generate an alert down at security entrance on this display unit with flat number who has pressed this panic switch will be flashed on the same, and a hooter is made on. This way you are using your intercom system as a security solution also. We go one step ahead, is the same intercom system can be further enhanced to be used as a video apartment solution. So we will see now a setup. Let me first brief about. In terms of building intercom system, which further we would like to enhance it as a video apartment solution. So far what we saw that any visitor coming at the premise, we were making them to talk to the flat user just on audio link. That means a flat user can speak to the visitor. Now next need probably is we want to see who has come at our house entrance. So in this case, a solution can be a video apartment system, wherein on same intercom system we can connect either a plain telephone or a telephone with display caller ID or a video phone. Now there are two type of video phones we have shown here. We will see in details afterwards. Now the application is bit enhanced from building intercom to video apartment solution, wherein any visitor coming in, we generate a call from the security gate to the flat user. Now there is also a camera placed at the security entrance, and instead of a plain telephone here, you can have a video phone screen, a phone with a screen. Okay, now so when security person will call on this extension, this camera who is catching an image of person standing here and is seen on this video phone. So a flat user can now speak to the visitor as well. He can see via this camera on his video phone also. So this is one type of a setup where at security entrance you can have a plain telephone, a display unit and a camera. All these are three separate accessories. Okay, the camera can be mounted at a certain height level so that it will cover entire distance nearby the entrance. Now in this case, a person in the flat can see along with the visitor, are there any other members or he is the only one person, and he can see the entire area of the reception. So this is the advantage of this type of a setup. Now in terms of what other utilities we were getting from the intercom is same available, because this video phone is also supported along with a telephone instrument inside it. So all the functionalities of intercom which we saw in first level is available still as it is in video apartment solution also. In terms of video apartment solution, there is another requirement that yes, a person is being scrutinized at main entrance. Now if he comes outside the apartment, we would like to see once again and make sure that the same person is coming at our house. So there is a porch unit which we have sit down. This is a porch unit which is installed outside the apartment. This porch unit is having a camera, speaker, mic and a call button. So when visitor comes in, he will press this call button and this will generate a ring on the video phone, and the person inside the house can communicate with the visitor via speaker and mic. So this is the way a video apartment solution is used. This is called as a two-tier or two-level of audio-video security. First is at the main entrance and second is at the apartment entrance. Now we have seen a setup downstairs at security. There is a camera, there is a telephone and there is a display unit. Now alternate to this or at security entrance you can have a vision panel. Now this vision panel is, you will see the picture. We have seen in video apartment solution at the entrance we can have a camera, a telephone instrument and display unit. Now this is the most economical setup at the security entrance. This gives advantage of, one is when visitor comes in, he is made to talk to flat user using plain telephone with a handset. So whatever flat user says to the security person is not heard by the visitor. Second is camera is installed at a height so that it covers a measure of the area, and flat user can see actually whether there is one person or there are a number of people along with him. Now we will see what kind of another product which can be installed at the entrance is a vision panel. Now if you see the construction of this vision panel, it is consisting of a telephone instrument dial pad, a display unit and a camera, which we saw here. There are three fragmented products. They are plugged together and placed inside one unit. Now this kind of a panel is installed at the entrance of the premises. So any visitor comes in, dials a flat number from here and flat user can see and can talk to the visitor. This being a hands-free device, whatever flat user speaks is heard here openly. So there is no privacy maintained. So example, flat user doesn't want to allow visitor to come to his house and he will denies, even visitor knows, yes, I am getting denied by the flat user to be visiting in. So, but anyway, this is a second choice one can have at the premise, and third can be a visitor tracking system. This detailed presentation we have in another video which we can see there. In building intercom system, we saw that inside each apartment we are using a plain ordinary telephone instrument which is having only voice communication possibility. In terms of video apartment solution, you have two choices of a video apartment video phone inside the house. First is a video phone with a handset, and second is a video phone which is hands-free, which doesn't have any handset. In terms of both these devices are identical for all other technical aspects. There is intercom dial pad inbuilt, and in terms of this video phone is 4-inch in size, while this is 5.6-inch in size. We are also coming up with a video phone which will be in 7-inch size with touch screen rather than such buttons. This video phone supports a 4-zone security system inbuilt. That means on the same video phone you can attach additional such panic switch. So this kind of a switch is installed in each room. When any flat user needs an assistance from a security or help from a security, they presses this panic button and this will generate alarm downstairs at the security. Or one can also install such gas leakage sensor in kitchen. So in case of a gas leakage, this will alert or inform to the video phone, and video phone will generate an alarm downstairs at the security. Also we can connect a magnetic door contact at the entrance of the house. So in case of any intrusion, in your absence, your door opens, this will generate an alarm at the security downstairs. This functionality wise, it is having a porch unit which is installed outside the house. So any visitor comes in the house, his image is seen inside the house, and one can answer the call by pressing this button and can communicate. Also, an latch, electrical latch or releaser at the flat entrance or downstairs at the tower entrance can be controlled using the button. This video phone also supports a panic switch, so in case of any emergency, one can press this panic switch. Now we have already seen that we can have additional panic switch in each room. Now besides this, there is another panic switch on the video phone. So this is about two models of a video phone which we have. As we saw previously that our video phones inside the house can support 4-zone security system. So we see actually in layout, this is an apartment layout wherein at the entrance you can have a porch unit outside the apartment, and in terms of various sensors you can have magnetic sensor installed at the entrance, or maybe all your windows or other doors, if there are, can be protected using again magnetic sensor. You can have a gas leakage sensor inside the kitchen. You can have PIR sensor or a motion sensor nearby the balcony or the windows. You can have panic switch installed in each room, and a video terminal inside the house at the central location. Now all these sensors are connected onto our video phone. Now who will give power supply to all the sensors? So our video phone will supply power to all the sensors, and our video phone is power backed up by a central power supply which is placed inside the duct. So compared to any international video apartment solution, why we are better is because we do not need any electrical plug point inside the house along with our video phone. Our video phone is been given supply by central power supply from central duct. This helps to protect entire solution from a power failure issue. So if in case there is a power failure or power problem inside the residential society, power backup to the central backup central circuit is given, and so that your entire solution is having power backup and all the sensors also will get a power. So this way, this is one of the biggest USP compared to any other international solution we have. We will see the next product range is individual house video door phone. This is a product which is we call as 1+1 port unit. Now we have seen a complete video apartment solution wherein there is intercom system, there is a video phone system, you can speak to the visitor who is at the entrance, you can talk to him, you can speak to the visitor who is outside the flat entrance, you can see him. As well, the same video phone will support you flat-to-flat communication. While this is a bit different compared to that video apartment solution, here this is just a video phone wherein outside the house and inside the house, this is just 1:1 video and audio communication. There is no security involved in, there is no flat-to-flat communication involved in. So any visitor comes at your house, presses this button, and you will get a ring and you can speak and talk to the person. And also you can open electrical latch of your flat entrance. This is the only basic function of 1+1. This product also have another version with around 25 last images captured. So you can have record of all those images, those visitors who visited your house can be seen. This is a model which is used generally in villas or apartments where you want to have intercom separate and this video phone separate. The advantage of this kind of a setup is in terms of long-term maintenance cost, video apartment solution is a bit expensive and it's a society property, while here this video phone is an individual inside the house. They can take a call upon whether to take maintenance or not to take a maintenance. We have seen that building intercom, video apartment and video room from 1+1. Now this kind of a product can be absorbed or can be sold in any of the project. Now along with those products, we can definitely push in another product which are again very can be very huge, can be selling in a good quantity. It is replacement of your existing 3 light switch, 1 fan switch and a regulator. So if you see any layout of a room, in a room you have generally 3 lights and a fan. This kind of a room which is provided by a developer. Now every city have various areas wherein you have a price fluctuation in terms of selling price of the premise or a project. The project which are ready to absorb maybe building intercom or video apartment can definitely absorb this kind of a product solution. Inside the room, as I conveyed, that we can replace 3 switch and a fan and a regulator. So we remove those switches and regulator and we instead of that place a touch switch inside the room, wherein this is a retrofit. Remove the switch and regulator and you can place this module inside the board and gets concealed. So here you have all on, or you can have all off, or you can control individual lights 1, 2, 3 or a fan. You can also control the speed of the fan to be reduced or increased. Now this touch is a capacitive touch, that means it is very good quality of a touch. You don't need to really press or hard press, it is very smooth touch is enough. Also you have an infrared remote which is installed inside the room, which is used inside the room along with this unit. So assume this unit is installed at the entrance or nearby the door, while this can be at living, dining, sitting area, or this can be nearby the head side of the bedroom. Now you have a function of all on, or you have a function of all off. You can control individual lights 1, 2, 3 and a fan. You want to decrease the fan speed or you want to increase the fan speed, again you can say on off. Now you do on here, you can do on off here, it's okay. So you have a huge flexibility of controlling all the lights, fan, speed and function of on off from either bedside or at the entrance using touch. Now the same unit is further in capacity increased from 1 fan and 3 lights to 1 fan and 5 lights. So assume you have a living dining area or maybe a bedroom with large or more number of lighting circuits. In that case again the same, you can use a touch to switch it off or you can use a touch to switch it on. You can have all on or all off. These are 2 buttons used for increasing or decreasing the speed. Now here you have a choice of having a side cover plate and here is a plain glass. So there are 2-3 choices. We are coming up with few more models in the same family and few more additional functionalities which are going to be very smart to add a lot of value adds into the same product. Now if you see any typical room with a 3 switch of light, 1 fan switch and a regulator, the approximate cost of this kind of a unit installation is around 800 rupees up to 1200 rupees based on the switch makes or 2-way functionalities. Now if you remove that and place this kind of a unit inside each room, the additional differential cost is very minuscule. This kind of a product can be given in project if there are volumes at the price of around 3,500 rupees per such pair, and this kind of a product can be given at the price of around 8,000 rupees per pair. So every project where we propose, assume a building intercom, apartment cost was ideally around 700 rupees, and each apartment we can have maybe such 1 unit in living room or maybe each bedroom also additional 1 unit. So such a way we can propose a solution in a apartment which is around 10,000 up to 20,000 rupees based on various combination of different product range. Thank you. So far we have studied solutions of building intercom system, video apartment system and video door phone. That is 1+1. The segments or potential area, potential customers for us is each and every builder developer who is constructing a residential premise or a commercial premise can use building intercom system. This is a basic definitely used in each and every project. So wherever you see a construction, intercom system can be proposed for sure. As far as the commercials are concerned, this intercom system are costing around 550 rupees up to 700 rupees per flat or per line. In terms of a project with better amenities, now I think only 10% of the projects are just giving intercom. Across the country, video apartment system is becoming very common. So all the projects, we should aim to propose them a video apartment system. Now in video apartment system, to divide them into various commercial segments, you can offer them only one layer of security, that is the person is seen at the main entrance only. There is no porch unit outside the apartment. This can be first combination. If their budget allows, we can offer them a video apartment solution with 2 layers of video security. That means you can see a person downstairs the entrance or also outside the entrance. Or next combination, you can propose them a building intercom and VDP 1+1. This is the most economical combination. So in terms of video apartment solution, you can propose them a solution which is starting at around maybe 9,000 rupees up to 15,000 rupees based on whether they want black and white, they want color, they want 4-zone security systems, various sensors or not. In terms of individual video phone 1+1, we can propose end users at around 9,000 up to 12,000 based on whether they want to have image capturing facility or not. So this is a brief about intercom, video apartment system and video phone 1+1. Thank you. To further enhance control of our 1+3 and 1+5 units which we saw, besides IR remote, if we want to add some more smartness, we can use any Android based application device and or any smart device with Android platform. We install our application inside this device and we give a shortcut icon. So once you select this, it will ask for your signing. Now this device is used in Wi-Fi environment in your premise. Each room, assume let's say bedroom 1, bedroom 2, kitchen and drawing area. Now each area have such one module installed inside the house. These modules are capable of communicating with device in Wi-Fi directly. So we have a control of those modules using a touch, IR remote and now any device with Android platform and in Wi-Fi mode also. So assume now I am in bedroom 1, I choose bedroom 1 and I want to control, let's say all on, it will switch on all my lights in this room. Or I want to say all off, I can select individually, or I want to change the speed of the fan, I can control it the way I want. Or I say all off, I will go back and I can choose now, assume bedroom 2, I can say all on or all off or individual lights. So this is another flexible version or enhancement in the same product with 1+3 or 1+5 you can have, besides touch, IR, a Wi-Fi based control. Now this kind of a package is very reasonably priced and can be absorbed in all the projects wherever we are pitching in for video apartment solution. Thank you. Hello everybody, we have understood the product range. We have a complete product range like building intercom, video apartment solution, video door phone solution, lighting or basic automation 1+3, 1+5, 1+3, 1+5 used with touch, IR remote or using Android application. We have seen our complete lighting and home automation solution, which is very high-end version, and all these products are well understood by us. Now we will understand that yes, what we should do further next. So we have initiated the process of SIP is, and now purpose or what further action we will do in the SIP program is first to convey strength of our product to all the end users to whom we meet. Now, who are our probable end users, we will see further ahead. To show possibility of function of our product, what our products can do, how they are better, all functionalities. Now, your meet with the end user will be of a very short duration, or your number of interactions are going to be very less. So in this short span of time, you need to convey them a very right and very strong information or the punchline of the product, solution and the company. So idea is to generate lead, promote made in India technology across India, and to make people attached with our solution. I think by now you would have understood our products well in depth, and you also must be attached to the solution. So similarly, we have to see that all the customers or probable customers to whom you have an opportunity to meet should get attached to this solution. To make user remember about the instance of demonstration and our uniqueness. So this is what is purpose of our meet with the end users. As we have seen the product line, we have intercom, VDP, touchscreen automation and complete home automation. Next area.
Application area.
कहाँ यूज हो सकता है वो लिखा है. बिल्डिंग application area, that means this kind of solutions can be used application area, this kind of product or solution can be used across into any kind of residential, commercial or industrial premise. If you observe or notice, we are always surrounded ourselves by lights, fan, curtains and all AV/AC devices. These are the devices which generally gives us comfort, or they are technically of some use to us. So if we see example residential segment, every house or common premise or a building, probably you will need lighting control, you need curtain control, you will need building common lightings to be automated so that they are used time-based or event-based. In terms of commercial premises, all your boardrooms, conference room, common area lighting or office lighting. In terms of hospitality area like hotel room, banquet halls, lobby and entrances of each 5-star, 7-star category of hotels, common area lighting of the premise. Again, various other examples like sports complex, hospital common utility areas or convocation halls, school, college classrooms, because now classrooms are becoming very smart with various other devices like projector screen, projectors, ACs. So all of them can be controlled centrally, either time-based or event-based. The application. Friends, this is going to be a very good opportunity to learn something, to give to organization who is 100% made in India solution, and I wish you all the best. Please put in your hard work and honest approach to generate the business. Thank you very much. Friends, your target audience is wherever there is construction activity happening, is your site, is your prospect, is your customer. He can be a builder, architect, interior designer. Now, another category can be an electrical dealer or outlet, or air conditioner dealer outlet, or retail distributor of lighting or such kind of outlets. Another category can be all local contacts, your friends, your family members, your relatives, and circle and group of those people with high net worth income, and probably to whom you propose them the solution and get some references from them. So every day probably you are able to generate a minimum 4 leads who needs this kind of a product or a solution for sure. The cross chain can be like this: you talk to your friend or your relative and ask for 2 references, or you meet one builder, ask for 2 references, you meet one architect, ask for 2 references. So this is the way you will be able to generate huge database. One second is all the projects which you see on the street where construction activity is happening is a definite prospect for you. Please do not end your day unless you finish off with 4 leads, actual leads who needs product to be used.